And we're live. So how's it going today, everybody? My name is Chace Eskam, and I am with the Challenge DAPP. We are a DAPP that builds blockchain applications that help people engage in positive activity. And today I just want to show you our first premier DAPP that we're coming out with soon. Should be in app stores within the next few weeks. And we are calling our first DAPP the Challenge DAPP too. So this is a DAPP that helps you engage in positive activity by going to the gym. And I don't know if anybody is familiar with fitness accountability groups. If you look online, there are a ton of them on Facebook and whatnot, where people just basically encourage each other to go to the gym and kind of reward one of another for going to the gym. So a cool concept, and this is basically what that app allows you to do, along with much more. So how it works is in the beginning here, when you first, this is just a web demo version. Like I said, the final version will be out soon. So how it works is when you first download the app, you'll see something similar to this. We'll have our logo here, and you'll just have some preliminary information about the application, how it works, whatnot. The next step will be to when you first download the app, will be to put in your phone number. I'm sure a lot of us have done this before. Very simple. You get sent a verification code after that. You put in the verification code to verify number. Then you're in the app. Now, the way it's set up right now is we have you putting in your private keys. But the reason it's set up like this is we are waiting on a mobile application authenticator like Scatter to come out. As soon as something like that comes out, we'll just integrate that into the app so you don't have to put in the private key. So hopefully something like that comes out before we put the app into app stores. But right now we just have it set up like this. So next step would be to link to an EOS account. After you do that, you put in your name, then you go there, and then you're in the app. And you'll have maybe a profile picture. You'll see my challenges, profile, and how it works is say you first download it and you get into the app. You get in here and then you say, I want to start a new challenge. So the way it's set up right now is we have straight challenge. That's where you bet one other individual. And then we have pool challenges. So this, I imagine this would be very fun. That's where you can get a group of maybe 4, 5, 6 people. You guys are all, maybe make a group challenge. First person not to make it to the gym, has to buy everyone else dinner. So after that, you go ahead and go on. And for now, we'll hit straight challenge. And the first thing that you have to do is you'll put in what you're challenging for, basically what you're risking in the challenge. And then the other person would be risking the same thing you are. So right now we're going to risk challenge tokens. This is just our native token for the DAPP. Basically the token just gives you rewards, gives you a piece of the DAPP, and any EOS that the DAPP earns, the DAPP holders will be able to vote on what happens to the EOS, and they could vote to give it back to themselves or whatnot. But we want to have people be able to challenge with other things. We're going to have EOS that people can challenge, and also we are talking with a lot of corporations who want to put gift cards on here and that sort of thing. So for now, we'll just say we want to challenge 10 challenge tokens, and then we go next. Now, there's going to be 2 options. You either can challenge people who are already using the app, but say your friend isn't using it yet, you might want to send them a notification because we want this thing to go viral. So you can send them a notification through text message to download the app and accept your challenge. So say you send it to your best friend. And by the way, we also want to have it where you can challenge us, the challenge DAPP. So say if you don't have anybody that on the app yet, or you don't want to send anybody a challenge, and you just want to keep yourself accountable, we'll set it up where you can challenge us, the app. So next thing you do is you say how long you want to the challenge to last for, or what the challenge entails. So how it's set up right now is, it looks like we're going to the gym 6 days in a row. A little bit much, but just for the demonstration, we'll go with this. You hit next, and then what you do now is you put in the time that you have to get to the gym by. So we will say 8. So we have to get it to the gym by 8. Then we go duration. So you got to stay at the gym for 45 minutes, we're going to say. Next thing we do is we put in the location of the gym. So you just open up here, and you go and you put in your local gym address. The cool thing about this is, say that you work out on the West Coast, you can challenge your friend who works out on the East Coast as long as they put in their local club address. So you go and you hit invite. Now that challenge gets sent to your friend, and you go to home, and then as soon as your friend accepts the challenge, now you got a live challenge on the blockchain. Now what happens is we use geolocation on the phone. So if say if you make it and your friend doesn't, then you get rewarded with the tokens, and your friend loses theirs. So kind of a fun interactive way for people to motivate each other and stay engaged and stay committed to whatever their workout goals are. So hopefully you guys like the video. The app will be free. It'll be in App Store soon, so hopefully you guys will download it and give it a try. The first, however many accounts, maybe 50,000 accounts or so, we're going to give you guys some free challenge tokens just to play around with. I know that people are trading them right now on exchanges for, I think less than a penny per challenge token, but people are saying that they have some value and they're trading them on exchanges. So kind of cool for first-time downloaders. So any questions, comment down below, and thanks for watching.